2021 Mercedes CLA350. Maintenance reminders reset. Need to have the cluster on trip, okay? So hit back and find trip, enter. Now we are on miles, okay? I'm gonna turn the car off. All right, now what you need to do is turn it all the way off. Okay, make sure everything goes black. Now what we're gonna do is with your foot off the brake, engine start stop 2 times real quick. 1, 2. Power up cluster. Get rid of this message if you have one. I got a couple. Now what we're gonna do is over here, we're gonna hit back and the enter button, hold it down for 6 seconds. Press and hold it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, you can let go of them. Hit the back button. And now you're in this menu here. And we need to go over to the left. And now you should have workshop at the very end. You didn't have this before, you can check. But we're gonna go into workshop and we're gonna go down to Assist Plus, enter, and we're gonna do full service. Confirm service, oil grade, C, confirm, and you're all done. Okay, that should get rid of your message. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment and subscribe if you want to see more Mercedes content.